The most
Welcome back to the
important thing to
Mindful
remember,
Tales.
my boy,
Today, I
is
want to
that the
share a story
answers
that
you
holds
seek
one of the
are
most
often
powerful
found
lessons
not in the
about staying
wind.
focused in a noisy world. So listen closely, because this simple tale might just change the way you chase your goals. There was a boy named Arin who lived in a quiet countryside village. Life wasn't easy for him. He woke up before sunrise every day to help his mother on their small farm watering crops, digging the soil, carrying heavy tools. Only after hours of hard work did he finally sit down with his school books. Arin was smart, disciplined, and driven, and everyone believed he would score top marks in his final exams. Even Arin believed it. But when the results came, everything shattered. He failed one subject. The disappointment was painful. But what hurt even more were the neighbors who once praised him now whispered behind his back, "Isn't he the smart one who failed?" All that effort for nothing. Their words cut deeper than he expected, and slowly his confidence began to fade. One evening, overwhelmed and exhausted, Arin went to see his old teacher, Master Rahim, a wise man known for his calm understanding. Arin said quietly, "Teacher, I can handle hard work, but I can't handle everyone laughing at me." The teacher listened, and after a moment replied, "Tomorrow morning, I want you to do something for me. Fill a pot completely with milk and walk through the village without spilling a single drop." Arin didn't understand, but he agreed. The next morning, as the first rays of sunlight touched the fields, he filled a clay pot with fresh milk right up to the top. It was heavy, full, and trembling at the surface. He lifted it carefully and began walking through the same path where people mocked him every day. The villagers were already there, some whispering, some smirking, some waiting to judge him again. But something unexpected happened. Arin didn't hear a single word. His eyes were locked on the pot. His breath was steady. His mind was focused. All the voices around him blurred into nothing. He didn't notice the laughter. He didn't notice the stares. He didn't even look up. All that existed in his world at that moment was the pot of milk in his hands. Step by step, he reached the end of the path without spilling a drop. When he returned to Master Rahim, Arin said, almost surprised, "Teacher, I didn't hear anyone today. I didn't notice anything except the pot." The teacher smiled softly and said, "And that, Arin, is the power of focus. When your mind is fixed on your purpose, the noise around you loses its meaning. People may doubt you, judge you, or laugh, but none of it can touch you when you're truly focused." In that moment, something inside Arin shifted. He realized he had been listening to everyone except himself. From that day forward, he studied again with renewed determination. He worked in the fields with a steady heart. The village didn't change, but Arin did, and that made all the difference. One morning, as he watched the sunrise paint the sky with gold, he understood something profound. When you stay focused on your goal, everything else naturally fades, just like a camera that blurs the background and sharpens only what matters. So if you ever feel discouraged by people's opinions, if doubt or negativity tries to pull you down, remember Arin's story. Hold your own pot of milk, your dream, your goal with steady hands. Stay focused, stay committed, and let every distracting voice fade into silence. Because a focused mind is truly unstoppable.